Hi Fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you which hangers I purchased to swap these out for. Not that these are not doing its job, they are. It's just that I seen some new hangers and I purchased them because I wanted to swap these out as well as organize my jeans. So you're probably thinking like, girl, are you serious? Are you serious? Like your jeans are organized. Not that they're not organized. It's just that now I have a different type of idea or way as to how I want to organize them, because I do get confused as to which are distressed or which are whole, and they really do confuse me. So I want to organize it in that area as well as for sizes. So with that being said, I'm going to show you a closer look of how these hangers look. Many of you probably seen it, but I'm just going to show it to you just in case someone hasn't, because you just never know. And I'm going to let you know where I purchased them from, as well as the brand new hangers and where I purchased those from. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you see, these hangers are Velcro, and I purchased these at Target. They were $9.99 for a 10-pack, and you can literally find these anywhere, Ross, Marshalls, Walmart, but I purchased these at Target, and they're Velcro. They're really nice hangers. I have no problems with them. I'm going to keep them even though I'm switching them out for the new hangers. I'm still going to keep them because I like them. I really do like these hangers a lot. It's just that I just want like a little switch up. So yeah, these are Velcro. Purchased them from Target, 10-pack for $9.99. So these are the new hangers that I purchased. They have like a number 2 look to them. I purchased these from Amazon. They come in a 20-piece set. I believe the name of the brand is called Zober with the letter Z. I will have the information of these in the description section below. Now, what I liked about these hangers was the slot opening right here. I believe that it would be convenient to remove and insert my jeans with these hangers as opposed to these hangers right here. So let's go ahead and see how I organize my jeans with these new hangers. Okay, now that my jeans are organized by size, color wash, whether they're regular or distressed, I'm going to go ahead and organize the hanger spacing. I like these to be spaced out a certain kind of way, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I already have these here organized. So fashionistas, that is it for today's video. I hope you found me organizing my jeans in a small closet space very helpful. If you have any questions, please state them in the comment section below. I will also have the information to these hangers in the description section below. Until next time, be good and be blessed.